ready to go to work. Medyo basang sisi lang ang person. But, hinihintay ka lang mag-notify sa GC na bukas ng office. Kasi I have to overtime. Anyway, I'm currently watching Off Campus and I'm on season 5. And, grabe, worth the hype siya. Like, I have never been into a series this much in a long time. So, yeah. So, compact with me for my OT. So, the bag I'm gonna use today is this bag from Straightforward. I like it kasi it's super big. And I'm gonna pack with me my laptop kasi may kukunin akong files dun na ilalagay ko here para pwede akong makapag-work at home. And then, I'm also gonna bring my iPod kasi I like to read pag mag-lunch ako. Of course, my charger. Also, I'm gonna bring this one. So, ito yung laman ng I have here my phone charger, power bank, pabango. So, ilalagay ko na lang din here yung charger ng laptop. My wallet. My trusty wallet. My earphones. My keys. And I think ito na. It's heavy. Breakfast. Dapat yung waffle yun pero sarado pa sila. Sure. Dunkin muna. We're back! Ano?
Every other week,
We're back.
Ito ko tira music na ni Pero suwa ka lang ang tsaka.
I just got home and super sakit ng shoulder ko kasi nilala ko yung laptop ko and then I also brought my iPad with me. So I just got home, galing akong OT and then naparadyo kami sa galaan nila Ate Danica and then ni Bea and then medyo nagano lang kami. Window shopping from one place to another and then look. Ang laking parcel. Ang laking item, di ba? So I decided na it's high time to change this bad boy into this bad boy. So from a normal chair to a swivel one kasi wala lang. Bakit? So yeah. Sana maayos ko to kasi sabi ko dapat talaga bibilhin ko siya ng buo. And then sabi ko dun is sige, I'm just gonna buy it na hindi siya naka-arrange. So, I'm just gonna arrange it. Kasi sabi naman dun sa Metro is madali lang daw siyang maayos. Yeah, ito na yung parcel. Ito na yung item ko. Sana maayos ko to. Medyo nag-feeling lang ako sa part na kaya ko siyang i-assemble. Kasi, tong table na to, tong bed frame na to, tapos yung lalagyan ko ng mga stuff ko sa harap. I don't wanna show it kasi it's very, very dirty. Ako yung nag-assemble ng lahat ng yon. So, let me see if kaya ko siyang ma-assemble. I'm just gonna show it later if okay na or hindi pa. I did it! Though, ilang retry yung ginawa ko. So, yung funny part is, may natanggal sa kanya na part. Tapos, tinatry kong ibalik. Pero, ayaw bumalik. Ewan ko bakit. Parang ang tagal ko kasi ma-figure out. Paano? Ma-attach tong backrest. Upuan mismo. So, yun. So, parang kailangan pala talagang tanggalin yun. Tapos, tinagal-tagal ko. Tapos, pagbalik ko, hindi na siya mabalik. Though, pero okay naman. Parang, matibay naman yung pagkagawa ko. Anyway, yan. Medyo makalat yung bag ko kasi tinanggal ko lahat ng mga stuff ko sa isang bag ko. Like, nilipat ko there. So, ganito yung desk setup ko pag nandito yung laptop. So, I have here my diary number 1. Like, I literally write here every day the most random of things. And then this one is my diary for the books I read. Like, currently, I'm reading another book, I think. So, dilabas ko siya. And this one is a diary that says, before I go to sleep. These two are from Flying Tiger. Though, dito hindi ako everyday nagsusulat kasi limited lang yung pages niya. So, yeah. Pag may highlight na yung araw ko, ito nasusulat ako. and we're finally heading out because it's summer's third chemo session and sabi nila is last. So, yeah, we're gonna go. Where is she? But they not happy. She's not happy with the vet. Oh no. Come here. No. Uy, ka din na. Haggard na haggard. Have to pick up Summer na. Kukunan ko na siya. So, dadaan muna ako kay Belle sa metro. Kasi, gusto ko ng matcha. Smell na eh. Sige.
Malina pa ito. Yan na pala.
Kita na ganda na pabaran mo siya.
Laban.
Yung ano, Eric, ano, buwas.
Tipinang na yun.
Okay na? So, it's currently 7:34 and kakauwi ko lang. And currently, nagboboil ako sa likod ng egg for the dogs. Dapat kay Summer lang, pero kasi, pangit naman ko hindi ko bibigyan ng other dogs. Dinner ka na, as pumila ako ng waffle. Tada! It's from Belgian Waffle. It's in the flavor Choco Hazelnut. And then, prepare ko siya sa aking fresh milk. So, ito yung dinner ko. So, may pagkain na shibas, pero nahiya kasi ako. So, yun lang. So, it's time para uminom na si Summer ng kanyang vitamins. Habang pinapainit ko pa yung, habang pinapalamig ko pa yung mga itlog. Isa lang pala, yung itlog. I'm gonna let her have her vitamin. So, abangan nyo, like, see, she really likes her vitamins. Unlike nung sa meds niya. So, this is her vitamins from Vitacan. Yung prescription sa kanya is 3 ml twice a day. That's 3 ml per day. She likes it. Before, ang hirap niyang painumin ng vitamins, but now, see, abang na abang siya. See, look. She likes this. No? Never mind the kalat, but I'm so happy how this serum turned out. So, it's time to lock in with the edits kasi wala. Anyway, I'm sad lang. I'm currently editing right now and then nandun ako sa part na sinabi ko kanina na today is Summer's last chemo session only to find out na she still need one more. But siguro kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko lang din alam. Pero, basta yun, she still need one more. Though next week, hindi ko na siya mapipick up agad-agad kasi I'll have to put her in an overnight stay kasi meron akong event. And I won't be able to come home over the night. So, she has to stay there. So, yun lang. From this moment onwards, I'm just gonna have to edit. Kasi walang tao here sa house. So, I'm just gonna have the audio all to myself without having to put an earphones on. So, kasi medyo masakit siya pag medyo matagal na nasa tenga ko. So, I can now edit freely today. And, yeah. So, from this moment onwards, I'm just gonna have to focus and I'll see ya. Bye!